Yo, what is good, everybody? We did pretty well today. Yeah, I made $3,000, almost $4,000 on the day. Pretty good day. We traded Tesla over 300%, AMD over 100% as well. Absolutely cashed out on this. I exited my actual last contract up here, or right down here. So right here, we didn't catch the rest of this move, but I'm gonna go over Tesla because this was almost a $20 move today, guys. A $20 move. Insane move. Caught it from the very top using our strategy. And man, we do this shit every single day. I traded this live inside of my Discord, as you know. So I want to go over it, how I took this, why I entered, why I exited, etc. So I left a runner. I exited down here at that last wick up and closure just because I thought that we were going to reverse, which looks like we might. So as you guys can see, we're going to look at the higher time frames on Tesla. So as you guys can see, like on Tesla, we were due for a pullback, right? Like that's just my opinion today. I thought we were so due for a pullback. Also, why were we due for a pullback? Go to the daily time frame. Bam. There you go. Highs over here, very prominent highs. Daily highs over here. So many daily highs were getting swept. I knew we wanted to at least come into the end of this week and like an equilibrium move or something. We want to retrace to at least some of these daily gaps, which that's exactly what we did. Daily fair value gap got retraced into 9 EMA, got tapped onto. Boom, we're having a reaction off of that. But the daily time frame, you guys need to realize that these confluences can easily be reversed off of, and we caught this whole entire move, and it was, bro, like life-changing money was made today. So daily highs were getting swept out. Boom. Okay, we know that. So let's go right here. Let me take this off. As you guys know, we look for liquidity sweeps. Look at this. 4-hour highs getting taken out right here, right there. Boom. So the first thing we look for the bias. You know that we could see a reversal. What do we need to see a reversal? We want to see a liquidity sweep, a good closure, and then a break of structure. So we see our 4-hour liquidity sweep. We see this big move up and the 1-hour sweeps, and then boom, the first 1-hour candle closes down. So that was the 4-hour sweeping, like, and then it's looking like this. I'm like, all right, I want to see downside movement today. So what did I wait for? Waited for the resistance to get broken right here. Earlier today, obviously, I have so much shit on here. I'm actually just going to delete everything. But boom, we'll delete it all just because you guys know where we took it. So we had a bunch of support right here, actually, not resistance. We had a bunch of support. So we were just supporting right here, supporting. We had the liquidity sweep, boom, broke structure, inversed these bullish fair value gaps. So we disrespected that, disrespected this fair value gap. We had a big push down after that daily and 4-hour sweep. So I was like, okay, the EMAs are tightening up. The 3-minute looks very good. We broke structure. The EMAs are crossing. If you watched my EMA video, you need to watch it. It's so good. This strategy is so effective. You can make so much money off of it, man. It's crazy. So then we saw this bearish fair value gap open. Came up, wicked down, entered like right here. Like if you go back, give me a second. Bam. We literally entered off the top of that stop loss up here. Usually I would have wanted my stop loss to be up here for a better risk to reward, but I can't place my stop loss. That's way too big of a loss. So we placed it at the top of this the first fair value gap. Never ended up coming up there. Filled orders, boom. All of our take profits got hit, and then we had a freaking massive drop, which made us all of the money. I had one runner left. One runner went up, I think, $1,200. It was actually insane. That was the trade on that. We broke structure, retraced to our fair value gap. I'm sure this was an equilibrium as well. Boom. Fair value gap on the 5-minute came into equilibrium. Good reaction. Selling pressure started to come in there. We're in there, bro. That's a great trade. We go over this strategy all the time. Amazing trade. Now on AMD, same thing. Look at this. Look at all of these sweeps up here, guys. Tell me AMD didn't want to have a pullback, right? For one, we have this gap down here we're probably going to want to fill. And plus, we're overextended. You know what I mean? We're overbought. We had a huge wick up from CPI and a closure below on the 1-hour, like a close below that. We swept so much liquidity, so what was I waiting for? The break of structure. We swept all that liquidity. Boom, broke structure. Retested. Didn't really want to get into that yet. Boom, broke structure again. I'm like, okay. And then I see all of this chop at this fair value gap. I'm like, dude, the selling pressure is insane. Buyers are not buying it up. And then I looked at Apple. Apple was selling off. I looked at the S&P, QQQ. I looked at everything. Everything was selling off. So then I was on AMD. I was like, okay, I'll take this. I'll take this with a short stop loss. I'll take it with stop loss right above the fair value gap. Whatever. Boom. I entered on one of these retests right here. Chop, chop, bam. Over 100% zero DTEs. Serious, like over 100% with this move. Insane trade. We cashed out today. Absolutely beautiful trades. We're going to be doing this every single day. Join the Discord. Link is in the bio. It's completely free. I don't charge for it. I don't charge for anything. My Discord's free. I don't have a course. So, yeah, I just like to help people out. I like to make money. I'm a 19-year-old just trying to live his dreams out, man. So, I hope everyone has a great day. Stay blessed. Stick to your plan. Don't get FOMO. Don't compare yourself to me. Because that's what I would have. That's what I would do if I'm in your position. Be like, damn, he made 4K. Don't say that, bro. I'm on my own lane, on my own journey, on my own pace. So are you, bro. Stick to your plan. Stick to what you know. Don't let anybody fuck with your beliefs or anything, bro. Stick to what you're doing and just stay hard, bro. Peace out.